Creating captivating social media posts doesn't have to be a time-consuming task. With Adobe Spark, you can craft striking visuals in just a few minutes, even if you're not a design expert. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of downloading Adobe Spark and demonstrate how to use it to swiftly create compelling social media content. Let's get started. If you're new to Adobe Spark, getting started is a breeze. I've included a download link in the description below that will take you directly to Adobe's website. Once there, you can choose a plan that includes Adobe Spark or start with the free trial to get a feel for it. After signing in or creating an account, follow the simple installation steps and you'll be ready to use Spark in no time. With Adobe Spark installed, let's explore how easy it is to create social media posts. When you open the app, you'll be greeted with various templates tailored for different platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Choose a template that fits your needs, or start with a blank canvas for complete customization. Editing in Spark is a seamless experience. You can add text, images, and icons with just a few clicks. Want to make your post pop? Experiment with the text effects and animation options to give it some personality. Adjust colors and fonts to match your brand, and rearrange elements to perfect the layout. It's all designed to be user-friendly, so you can focus on your creativity without feeling overwhelmed. One of Adobe Spark's best features is its resize tool, which lets you instantly adapt your design to multiple platforms. This means you can create an Instagram post and quickly resize it for a Facebook cover or Twitter banner without starting over. This not only saves a lot of time, especially if you manage multiple social accounts, but also ensures consistency across your social media presence. Once your design is complete, sharing it is a breeze. You can download your post to your device or publish it directly to your social media channels straight from Spark. It's fast and efficient and ensures your content looks professional every time. If you're ready to transform how you create social media posts, head to the link below to download Adobe Spark and start designing today. Whether you're promoting a business, sharing personal updates, or just having fun with your creativity, Spark makes it easy to bring your ideas to life. I hope this tutorial inspires you to try Adobe Spark for your next social media project. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what type of posts you're excited to create. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and design tools. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!